spiced butter roasted pineapple. Oh man, let's go. First thing that we're gonna wanna do is break down our pineapple. So I can just twist the top off. And when we're looking at the pineapple, you see it's beautiful and golden. That's what we're looking for. Break this down quickly. I've done this in a video before. Once the pineapple is peeled, sliced down, and what I'm gonna do is cut this into nice half moon shapes. Take that pineapple and place it onto a wire rack. I have a baking tray here lined with parchment. Now we're gonna make that beautiful topping. To our melted unsalted butter, I'm gonna add brown sugar, gonna add cinnamon, gonna add nutmeg, beautiful fragrant cardamom, and a splash of high quality vanilla, pinch of salt, and then mix this together. Because this pineapple is so sweet, it's so ripe, it smells like Guyanese pine tar. It's like a pineapple jam. I'm just gonna add a splash of fresh lemon juice into our mix here. And then what you wanna do is give this a good mix and brush all these pieces with this lovely concoction. So I just turn this over and I'm doing the other side, but I'm only gonna broil one side. I want it to be really nice and fresh fruit with the one side broiled. Into the broiler until golden brown. Oh man. After about 5 minutes under the broiler, check out this beautiful color that we have. Keep an eye on this and let it cool. To plate this up, we have this beautiful pineapple. All I'm gonna do is cut it in half like this, and I'm just gonna do a nice thick dice. These pieces can go at the bottom of our dish. After the roasted pineapple is down, just the tiniest little bit of salt, really gonna bring out the flavor. We have some ice cream that can go on top, and look how simple this dish is. A little toasted pistachio on top. Here you have a super simple roasted pineapple dessert. Enjoy.